Welcome to Gardening for Gut Health, Nature's Digestive Delight by Erin Hoolander. In this video, we will explore the fascinating connection between gut health and overall well-being. Did you know that a healthy gut is essential for a strong immune system, improved mood, and better digestion? By combining the art of gardening with holistic health practices, we can nurture our bodies from the inside out. Gardening not only provides us with fresh, nutrient-rich produce but also offers a therapeutic escape from the stresses of daily life. Imagine the joy of harvesting your own fruits and vegetables, knowing that you are fueling your body with pure, natural goodness. Join us as we delve into the practical and transformative aspects of gardening for gut health, and discover how nature can be your ultimate digestive ally. Choosing the right plants. When it comes to gardening for gut health, selecting the right plants is key. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with fiber and essential nutrients that promote a healthy digestive system. Herbs such as mint, basil, and parsley not only add flavor to your meals but also aid in digestion and reduce inflammation. Root vegetables like carrots, beets, and sweet potatoes are rich in prebiotics, which feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Each type of plant offers unique benefits for digestive health. For example, ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties, while fennel and dill can help alleviate bloating and gas. When choosing plants for your garden, consider the specific needs of your environment to ensure they thrive and provide you with a bountiful harvest of gut-friendly goodness. Creating a gut-healthy garden. In this segment, we will show you how to design and cultivate a garden that is tailored to improving gut health. The layout and organization of your garden play a crucial role in achieving optimal results. Consider grouping plants together based on their specific benefits for digestion, such as clustering herbs known for their digestive properties in one area. Proper soil preparation is essential for cultivating a gut-friendly garden. Ensure your soil is rich in nutrients and well-draining to support the growth of healthy plants. Implement techniques like composting and mulching to enhance the nourishing qualities of the soil. To promote a diverse gut microbiome, incorporate a variety of plant species in your garden. Mix leafy greens, herbs, root vegetables, and fruits to provide a wide range of nutrients that support digestive health. By following these tips, you can create a vibrant and thriving garden that nurtures both your plants and your gut. Harvesting and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Now that your gut-friendly garden is flourishing, it's time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Harvesting fruits and vegetables at their peak ensures you receive maximum nutritional benefits. Pick leafy greens when they are vibrant and crisp, and herbs when their flavors are most potent. Root vegetables should be harvested when they reach their optimal size and sweetness. Utilize your homegrown produce in creative recipes and meal ideas to support gut health. Whip up a refreshing spinach and berry smoothie, or create a flavorful herb-infused salad dressing. Experiment with roasted root vegetables or incorporate fresh herbs into your favorite dishes for added flavor and digestive benefits. Savor the satisfaction of consuming your own garden fresh, gut-nourishing foods, knowing that you are nourishing your body from the inside out. Enjoy the delicious flavors and health benefits that come from cultivating your own edible oasis. Maintenance and long-term gut health. Ensuring the longevity of your gut-healthy garden is essential for sustaining digestive wellness over time. Regular garden maintenance plays a crucial role in providing ongoing support for gut health. Stay on top of seasonal care tasks such as watering, weeding, and pruning to keep your plants thriving and nutrient-rich. Implementing pest management strategies and soil enrichment practices is key to preserving the gut-friendly qualities of your garden. Consider natural pest control methods and organic fertilizers to avoid harmful chemicals that can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. Empower yourself with strategies to continue reaping the gut-nourishing rewards of your garden for the long haul. By maintaining a healthy and vibrant garden ecosystem, you can enjoy a steady supply of homegrown, nutrient-dense produce that supports your digestive wellness journey. Stay committed to the care and cultivation of your garden, and your gut will thank you for it. Conclusion. As we come to the end of Gardening for Gut Health, Nature's Digestive Delight by Erin Hoolander, Let's recap the key points covered in this video. Gardening for gut health offers a holistic approach to well-being, providing nutrient-rich produce and therapeutic benefits that support a healthy digestive system and overall wellness. We encourage you to take action on your gut health journey by incorporating the tips and techniques shared in this video into your own gardening practices. Subscribe to our channel for more natural wellness tips and gardening inspiration to continue nurturing your body and mind through the power of nature. Engage with us by liking, sharing, and exploring related content for ongoing learning and growth. Together, let's cultivate a community dedicated to fostering gut health and embracing the joys of gardening for a healthier, happier life.